Have you tried everything to get your energy and performance back, but nothing seems to last? That was exactly me. Tired, unmotivated, and feeling like the spark in my intimacy was gone. That's when I discovered Vigor Long and decided to give it a shot. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to share my experience with Vigor Long, a supplement that promises to support healthy erections, increase libido, and bring your vitality back. I've been using it for over a month, and I'm going to tell you all about the results I got, whether it's really worth buying, and some important tips for anyone thinking about trying it. First things first, if you're going to buy Vigor Long, be very careful. There are a lot of duplicate offers out there. Sites pretending to be YouTube videos, marketplaces selling counterfeits, so only buy from the manufacturer's official website, where they clearly state the product is sold only on that page and that the batch is made in the USA following GMP standards. To help you out, I left the official site below in the description and in the first comment so you can check it safely. I decided to try it because I wanted something natural that would work on my energy, sleep, and performance without harsh stimulants. The formula is a proprietary blend with 9 natural ingredients, including valerian, hops, humulus lupulus, griffonia, 5-HTP, berberine, spirulina, black cohosh, lutein, inulin, and beetroot powder. Components that support circulation, energy, and even sleep quality. So how was my experience with it? Honestly, in the first few weeks, I started noticing changes. Less daytime fatigue, more restorative sleep at night, and steadier energy. Around the second week, I felt a sense of vigor I hadn't felt in a long time. I felt more eager to be with my partner, and after a month, my stamina and confidence had improved a lot. It directly impacted my intimate life and my day-to-day well-being. Seriously, things really changed for me, to the point my partner even asked me to stop. I actually wore her out. That was my experience, and after doing a quick search to bring you info beyond just my results, most men notice an increase in desire in the first week, and with continued use, many regain endurance similar to their 20s before 60 days. Of course, every body is different, but I thought it was relevant to mention the expectation they present. The recommended use is simple. Take 2 capsules a day before bed, which makes the routine very easy and straightforward. Another thing that made me feel safer was the guarantee policy. The site offers a no questions asked refund, meaning if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back within that period. One more piece of advice. Take it for at least 3 months before drawing conclusions. There are many reports of people seeing results at 40 days, others at 90 days. It all depends on your body, your routine, and how consistent you are with taking it correctly without skipping. That's it. I wanted to record this testimonial to share how Vigor Long helped me get my energy, strength, performance, and presence back in intimacy. Always remember to buy only from the official website. I left the official site below in the description and in the first comment. Go check it out now and see for yourself how Vigor Long is a really good supplement. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.